Welcome to the Fast Fix channel, where we don't waste a lot of your time by doing a lot of talking. We just get stuff done. Today we've got a leaky backflow preventer. Let's get out there and fix it.
First, let's talk about our backflow preventer. As you can see here, we've got a backflow preventer. I have the cap off because the cap is completely cracked and useless at this point. And we have a relatively good condition on our casing here. The only problem is we've got water leaking out of the top area here. So you can see when I turn this on, we just have leaks and we got water dripping down. So we've got something wrong internally with this device. So what we need to do is disassemble this. There's a few cheap pieces in here that we can easily fix. So let's get right to that. Disassembly is going to be relatively easy. Just remove your cap. There'll be screws. You can take that off. Then you'll see this area right here. And basically this should be on hand tight. Sometimes it's not. So if you can't get it loose with your hands, just take a screwdriver and turn to the left. You can see mine's pretty easy. I've had it off before, but I did have to use a screwdriver at first. So once we take this piece off, you can remove it there. And then we can inspect some of our parts and take a look at this. You can see we definitely have some damage here. It was probably just, done this way when it was installed. And this piece is definitely bad. We also had an O-ring inside. And then this piece will come out right here. It's a little plunger. And this looks okay. So we're not going to be replacing this or any of the other internal parts. And here's our replacement kit. As you can see, we have a new plastic washer. We've got a new O-ring. We've got a new bonnet, a new cap, plus screws. If you're curious on what preventer you have, simply take a look on the body. Mine's a Wilkens 720A. It doesn't say on the body. Take a look at the cap. It should give you some indications of what you have. You can find these on Amazon. I got mine at Home Depot. I'll link both in the description. Now we can reassemble. Again, we're not replacing any of these springs or anything in here. We know that's all okay. It was really just the sealing components that weren't good. So right here, we will take our poppet assembly is what it's called, and we'll just place it right here on the spring. Then we're gonna take our new O-ring that we have here, and we're gonna use some of the provided grease and grease this up and install it. Now we'll take our new plastic washer. Make sure that's nice and seated flat. You don't want it angled at all, just nice and flat. Now we've got our new bonnet. We can slip that down and just screw this clockwise. Again, this just needs to be hand tight. So if yours was really difficult to get off, just make sure that it's hand tight this time. That should be good. Now we can put on our new cap. Easiest part. And now we can test our repair. Let's see if that worked. Okay, that's typical. Once it seals, we should be okay. Okay, looks like we're good.
This is a very easy fix, everyone. With about 10 minutes and $15, you can also get this done. So if this video helped you, please help me and hit like and subscribe. It really does make it worth it for me to do these videos. So please hit that like button. And here's that bonus footage I promised you.
Yeah, watch out for that.